Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we will read about various laws and regulations of the DMV as well as information related to roadways information, various charge punishments. Question 1. What is the speed limit in business or residential districts unless otherwise posted? A. 20 miles per hour. B. 25 miles per hour. C. 30 miles per hour. Correct answer, B. 25 miles per hour. The speed limit in business or residential districts is 25 miles per hour unless otherwise posted. Question 2. What is the penalty for smoking when a minor is in the vehicle? A. Warning. B. Fine. C. License suspension. Correct answer, B. Fine. Smoking in a vehicle with a minor present can result in a fine. Question 3. What is the punishment for dumping or abandoning animals on a highway? A. Verbal warning. B. Up to $1,000 fine, 6 months in jail, or both. C. Community service. Correct answer, B. Up to $1,000 fine, 6 months in jail, or both. Dumping or abandoning animals on a highway is punishable by a fine, jail time, or both. Not dump or abandon animals on a highway. This crime is punishable by a fine of up to $1,000, 6 months in jail, or both. Question 4. How should you load your vehicle to ensure safety? A. Overload it for better stability. B. Load it so you cannot control it. C. Load it within its capacity for control and visibility. Correct answer, C. Load it within its capacity for control and visibility. You should not drive a vehicle so overloaded that you cannot control it, C ahead, or C to the sides. Question 5. What must be displayed if cargo extends more than 4 feet from the back rear bumper of the vehicle? A. Green flag. B. 12-inch red or fluorescent orange square flag. C. Yellow warning sign. Correct answer, B. 12-inch red or fluorescent orange square flag. Cargo extending more than 4 feet must display a 12-inch red or fluorescent orange square flag. Question 6. How should you transport animals in the back of a pickup or other truck? A. Without any restraint. B. Properly secured to prevent falling or jumping. C. Tied loosely to the truck bed. Correct answer, B. Properly secured to prevent falling or jumping. Animals in the back of a pickup or truck should be properly secured to prevent them from falling, jumping, or being thrown. Question 7. When can you drive a vehicle equipped with a video monitor visible to the driver? A. Anytime. B. Only during the day. C. If it displays vehicle information, navigation system, media player, or radio. Correct answer, C. If it displays vehicle information, navigation system, media player, or radio. A vehicle with a visible video monitor is allowed if it displays specific information or media content. Question 8. What is the consequence for throwing a flaming substance from your vehicle? A. Verbal warning. B. Fine. C. License suspension. Correct answer, B. Fine. Throwing a flaming substance from your vehicle can result in a fine. Question 9. Where can objects be affixed on the front windshield or side rear windows? A. Anywhere on the windshield. B. Lower corner of the passenger's side windshield or the lower corner of the rear window. C. Anywhere on the side rear windows. Correct answer, B. Lower corner of the passenger's side windshield or the lower corner of the rear window. Objects may only be affixed in these locations. 1. A 7-inch square on the lower corner of the passenger's side windshield or the lower corner of the rear window. 2. A 5-inch square on the lower corner of the driver's side window. 3. On the side windows behind the driver. 4. A 5-inch square located in the center uppermost portion of your windshield for an electronic toll payment device. Question 10. What should you not do with a funeral procession on the road? A. Overtake it. B. Honk your horn. C. Interrupt it. Correct answer, C. Interrupt it. Not interfering with a funeral procession. A funeral procession is led by a traffic officer and has the right of way. All vehicles taking part in the procession have windshield markers to identify them and have their headlights on. You can be ticketed if you interrupt a funeral procession. Question 11. What can lead to the impoundment of your vehicle for 30 days? A. Speeding. B. Allowing an unlicensed person to drive. C. Parking in a no-parking zone. Correct answer, B. Allowing an unlicensed person to drive. If an unlicensed person is caught driving your vehicle, it may be impounded for 30 days. Question 12. What is the consequence of evading law enforcement using a motor vehicle? A. Verbal warning. B. 1 year imprisonment in a county jail or less. C. License suspension. Correct answer, B. 1 year imprisonment in a county jail or less. It is a misdemeanor to use a motor vehicle to flee or attempt to evade law enforcement performing their duties. This is punishable by imprisonment in a county jail for 1 year or less. Question 13. What penalty can a person face for causing serious bodily injury during a law enforcement pursuit? A. Fine. B. Up to 7 years imprisonment in a state prison. C. Community service. Correct answer, B. Up to 7 years imprisonment in a state prison. A person convicted of causing serious bodily injury during a law enforcement pursuit is subject to imprisonment in a state prison for up to 7 years, or a county jail for 1 year or less. Question 14. How long may your license be suspended if you accumulate 8 points in 36 months as an adult? A. 30 days. B. 90 days. C. Suspension of driving privilege. Correct answer, C. Suspension of driving privilege. As an adult, your license may be suspended if your driver's record shows one of the following point totals: 4 points in 12 months. 6 points in 24 months. 8 points in 36 months. Question 15. What is the purpose of traffic violator school? A. Erase all traffic violations from your record. B. Have the citation not reported to your insurance company but remain on your driving record. C. Avoid attending traffic court. Correct answer, B. Have the citation not reported to your insurance company but remain on your driving record. Traffic violator school allows you to have the citation not reported to your insurance company. Question 16. How often can you attend traffic violator school for a 1-point traffic violation? A. Once in any 12-month period. B. Once in any 18-month period. C. Once in any 24-month period. Correct answer, B. Once in any 18-month period. You can attend traffic violator school once in any 18-month period for a 1-point traffic violation. Question 17. What happens if you fail to appear in court after receiving a traffic ticket? A. License suspension. B. Verbal warning. C. No consequences. Correct answer, A. License suspension. If you fail to appear in court after receiving a traffic ticket, your license may be suspended. Question 18. What is the minimum age for a commercial driver cited in a non-commercial vehicle to attend traffic violator school? A. 18 years. B. 21 years. C. No age restriction. Correct answer, A. 18 years. The minimum age for a commercial driver cited in a non-commercial vehicle is 18 years. Question 19. What action will DMV take if you have too many points on your driver's record? A. Send a warning letter. B. Place you on probation, suspend, or revoke your driving privilege. C. Ignore the points. Correct answer, B. Place you on probation, suspend, or revoke your driving privilege. DMV may place you on probation, suspend, or revoke your driving privilege if you have too many points. Question 20. What happens if you are convicted of hit-and-run or reckless driving that resulted in injury? A. License suspension. B. Fine. C. DMV will revoke your driving privilege. Correct answer, C. DMV will revoke your driving privilege. DMV will revoke your driving privilege if convicted of hit-and-run or reckless driving resulting in injury. Question 21. What may happen to your minor's provisional driver's license if you have one at-fault collision or traffic violation conviction? A. Nothing. B. Probation for 1 year. C. DMV may restrict or suspend your driving privilege. Correct answer, C. DMV may restrict or suspend your driving privilege. DMV may restrict or suspend your driving privilege if you have one at-fault collision or traffic violation conviction. Question 22. What is the consequence for a minor with 3 at-fault collisions, 3 traffic violation convictions, or a combination? A. License suspension for 3 months. B. Probation for 6 months. C. License suspension for 6 months and probation for 1 year. Correct answer, C. License suspension for 6 months and probation for 1 year. The consequence is a license suspension for 6 months and probation for 1 year. Question 23. What is the penalty for a minor convicted of using alcohol or a controlled substance, or both, at the age of 15 to 20? A. Fine. B. DMV suspension for 1 year or delayed eligibility to apply for a driver's license. C. Attend traffic school. Correct answer, B. DMV suspension for 1 year or delayed eligibility to apply for a driver's license. The penalty is DMV suspension for 1 year or delayed eligibility to apply for a driver's license. Question 24. What should you do if you receive notification of a proposed action against your driving privilege by DMV? A. Ignore it. B. Request a hearing within 10 days. C. Request a hearing within 30 days. Correct answer, B. Request a hearing within 10 days. You must request a hearing within 10 days of receiving notification of a proposed action by DMV. Question 25. What information in your driver's record is not available to the public? A. All information is available. B. Physical or mental conditions, address, and social security number. C. Only address and social security number. Correct answer, B. Physical or mental conditions, address, and social security number. Information about physical or mental conditions, address, and social security number is not available to the public. Thanks for joining us. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more driving test tips. Drive safely.